Calling all Super Dragon Ball Hero fans. Did you enjoy episode 38? Cause I enjoyed it, episode 38. That was the best episode I've ever seen. And it's about time they released it. Alright everybody. In celebration of episode 38 being released a while back, we're finally gonna draw Super Saiyan ROS'E and Crimson Masked Saiyan Goku Black in his true form. He's finally got his full power. And wow, this is Goku Black at his full power. The Crimson Masked Saiyan at his true potential. Now this ought to be interesting. Fortunately for him, he was beaten by Gogeta in Super Saiyan Dark Blue. This is Goku Black's mask. Got that. There we go, there's his head. This is the last piece of the Crimson Masked Saiyan's mask. That's all he has left. And, well, I don't know how he did it, but his bruised eye, it regenerated. And he had this, I don't know how he did it, but that mask of his, it had unspeakable power. It broke him in limits even I don't understand. Plus, that's what allowed him to become Super Saiyan 3, along with Super Saiyan ROS'E. When I found out about this, I was all like, what? Goku Black has a new form! It's not even possible! Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
when the mask cracked open, when I found out about when the mask cracked open, it tore his fighting clothes off. This. Got this. And here's a awesome feature. What? The Crimson Masked Saiyan has a tail now? Oh yeah. I forgot, I didn't get to mention. When Goku, as Goku and Vegeta managed to battle him in his Super Saiyan R3 form, the mask cracked all the way, and it may have infected and made Goku Black malfunction, and it allowed him to change his form. It might have accidentally turned him into his own God level Super Saiyan 4, which does explain the tail.
I like your costumes better if you wash them. Are you going to wear them this year or sell them?
That depends.
What?
Just give me a minute.
That's fine.
In the middle of
Oh, you got, oh, cool.
right?
You want to take the blue table from upstairs and put it downstairs?
I suppose. Okay then.
So let's take it, you want to take it out and we'll bring it upstairs?
Yeah, just give me a minute. I'm almost done. Almost there. This is... Got that. There's the Super Saiyan ROS'E hair.
Right, and you didn't bring these up.
Just give me a minute. I'm almost done.
You bring some up and shut the dryer up.
Perfect. Super Saiyan ROS'E. Alright. Got that done. And one more thing. Since he's Super Saiyan ROS'E, the red aura, the red energy aura that surrounds him. He's like a Super Saiyan god. Alexa, play Chala Head Shala.
I can't find the song Chala
Alexa.
Head Shala.
Alexa, play Chala Head Shala.
Chala
You
Head
did?
Shala. Upload on Amazon Music.
Whoa. Bring it down here, please, after I'm done. Alexa, what is Super Saiyan 3 ROS'E Super Saiyan 3?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Super Saiyan 3 is the most powerful enhancement of Super Saiyan and is the third main Super Saiyan form.
Alexa, what is Super Saiyan ROS'E?
Super Saiyan Rose is a Super Saiyan form unique to Goku Black in the Dragon Ball manga series.
Alexa, what is Super Saiyan 4?
According to another Amazon customer, Super Saiyan 4, the only way a Saiyan can attain Super Saiyan 4 is if he or she is already a Super Saiyan 3 and can transform into a golden great ape and regain conscious control over the form. This transformation is the ultimate combination of both the humanoid Super Saiyan 3 and the great ape.
And there it is, folks. He's all finished. Super Saiyan 3, Goku Crimson Master Saiyan, ROS'E. Honestly, never thought any Saiyan would get this form. Thanks a lot, Zamasu. You're welcome. I'm glad you guys got to see this special episode. This episode goes out to episode 38 of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. And I hope you guys are excited to see the next episode. I know I am. Anyways, I'll see you soon.